नाजरीन, इस वीडियो में हम लिटरेसी मोबिलाइज़र मॉनिटर और जो डीटीज़ की लिटरेसी डिपार्टमेंट में सीट्स आई हैं उसकी तैयारी के सिलसिले में जो एकेडमिक और जो एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आएंगे उनको लर्न करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, डेवी liked best the following definition of education. Its answer is option C, reconstruction of experience. दूसरा सवाल, education is derived from a Latin word. Its answer is option A, educare. Next question, educare means, its answer is option B, bring out. Next question, speculative philosophy deals with, its answer is option A, developing theory. Next question, perspective philosophy deals with, its answer is option B, right or wrong. Next question, analytical philosophy deals with, its answer is option C, assessment. Next question is, axiology in philosophy deals with, its answer is option C, values. Next question, epistemology in philosophy deals with, its answer is option A, knowledge. Next question, ontology in philosophy deals with, its answer is option C, values. Next question, ontology is also called as, its answer is option A, metaphysics. And next question, philosophy is theory of, its answer is option B, education. Next question, eclecticism means borrowing belief from, its answer is option B, different philosophies. Next question, Aristotle disagreed from Plato with respect to belief that, its answer is option C, ideas are the real.